Welcome to this beginner's guide to affiliate marketing. We will explore what it is and how to get started. Let's go. Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brandy and I'm here to talk about entrepreneurship, parenting, and time management. So let's jump into what is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is where the affiliate is rewarded for each visitor or customer brought upon by you, by your own marketing of that product or service. In other words, it's a way for businesses to increase their reach and increase revenue by partnering with affiliates such as you or I, who promote their products to friends, family, their own social media, and more. Affiliate marketing involves three parties. There is the advertiser, the publisher, and the consumer. The advertiser is the company selling the product. The publisher is the affiliate who promotes said product. And the consumer is the person who buys said product from the affiliate. The basic process involves the publisher promoting the advertiser's product or service through various marketing channels such as email marketing, social media, blogs. When a consumer clicks on the affiliate link and makes a purchase, it is then where the affiliate earns a commission for that sale. But there are different types of affiliate marketing. One type of affiliate marketing is pay per click. This involves getting paid per click, which involves getting a certain amount of money each time somebody clicks on your link. Another type is pay per lead, which involves getting paid per lead or per sign up. And the third type is pay per sale, which means you get a commission once the product is purchased. Each one has their own advantages and disadvantages. So it is important to understand all of them before you make your decision on which one you choose. Which leads us to our next topic, tips on choosing the right affiliate program. So on the business side, the business normally has some kind of form to fill out asking you various questions on who you are and so forth. On the affiliate side, we must be knowledgeable about the products that we're using, and you don't want to promote a product that you don't use and you don't love. You don't really want to promote a product that you don't use and you don't love, or something that is cheaply made and you know it's going to fall apart. An example, my camera. I own the Sony ZV-F1, and that is what I currently record on. Down in my description, I have a link to my camera and all the things that I use on my camera, which can partner with Amazon, where I would earn a commission off of said purchase if somebody clicked that link. All of those are linked down below, and those I can earn a commission off of if somebody was to click on that link and buy said product from Amazon, which is where I purchased mine. So let's talk about mistakes. One of the most common mistakes in affiliate marketing is not knowing your target audience. Without a clear understanding of who your audience is, it's hard to make videos or blog posts or however you're distributing your content to go to your audience. Without a clear understanding of your audience, it's difficult to create content that resonates with them. Failing to tailor your marketing efforts towards your audience can lead to wasted resources and poor results. Another mistake is not vetting the affiliate program. It is important to evaluate the potential programs that you want to be a part of and make sure that they align with with your brand and your brand's values, your values, and make sure it will be a positive thing for both you and the program that you are an affiliate for. Failing to vet the programs properly can lead a bad reputation for you and your brand. You also want to avoid relying on one type of content or marketing channel. While it may be tempting just to focus on, say, one social media platform, say somebody tagged you for going against community guidelines and you can't post anything. Well, there went your whole audience because it's only on one social platform. You want to diversify across multiple platforms, your own website, email marketing. The thing is about social media is you don't own your audience. Just like before, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, all of those, even YouTube, all of that can be just shut down. However, your website, you own your website, you own your blog posts, you own your email list. Those things can't be taken away. I encourage you to start building up an email list. So that way, if you lose your social media platforms, you have a way to reach your audience. So let's move on to tools and resources. So let's talk about some programs. Amazon Affiliates is a good place to start, and it's not very hard to get on. I think there are some quotas that you need to reach. I think within the first 180 days, you need to have 5 or 6 people purchase through your link, but I'm not 100% sure on that. Most companies have an affiliate program. I know there are some websites out there like Commission Junction, ShareASale, Digistore24, where you can sign up for that and then look at a whole bunch of different companies that are on there. Social media management, such as Later or Plan, or even I think it's called Meta Business, where you can post to Facebook and Instagram. But Later and Plan are paid for, where you can post on many different platforms and have them scheduled to go out. I do know Instagram, you can schedule through the Meta Business, and I just found out that you can schedule on TikTok as well. And then you also want an email marketing system, such as Aweber and ConvertKit. There are many different email marketing systems out there that you can use, so you'll just have to find out which one works best for you and your needs. Another thing that you might need is a funnel building system, such as ClickFunnels or System.io. Each one has their pros and cons, and you just have to look into both of them. If you're interested in getting started with affiliate marketing, be sure to check out the tools and resources that I have listed below. And don't forget to keep an eye out for future content like this. Thanks for watching. Bye.